These roads are so terrible. Holy crap, Mowbray looks so dead. You never catch me hanging out here with my phone. Asking to open, of course. Jeez, why is there so many potholes? This bus is rattling like a freaking jackhammer. Oh, shut the front door. These damn taxis. fudge! That felt kind of fun. Holy fudge. Did you all just hear that kick sound? That's a very beautiful voice gearbox. I love how I just said fudge and not the actual F word. I like how that was my first reaction. There's a bus I gotta film soon. 4413. Reason being, that bus is one of the only buses that can rev super high. Oh hey, I love this Mowbray soon. The difference between this one and that one is that one's obviously more modernized and it has a tan interior, whereas this one's window surrounds are dark grey. That one's window surrounds are obviously, like I said, tan, so is the roof line. The seats are the same colour and the same configuration, but that one's in a more lighter silverish interior colour. But yeah, but they're pretty much the same bus. Where's that one going? Oh, Marydale. Beautiful bus. Like I said, you might be thinking, why bus 4413 specifically? Well, like I said, that's the only bus that can rev insanely high, unlike this one and a lot of other Golden Arrow buses. Plus, you can resist that insanely high-pitched voice gearbox whine, hey? But I have a sick feeling that gradually bringing that bus's rev limits down, little by little. God, these roads are so uncomfortable. Ugh. Oh hey, a Ford AU Falcon. There's actually a station wagon, in case you're wondering, not the Ford AU Falcon sedan. Very nice car. Probably one of the best Australian Ford Falcons ever. Oh. The rear suspension in these MAN Explorer G1s actually freaking sucks. They fixed it in the G2. But the G1's rear suspension, it's so atrocious, it's so uncomfortable. Still a nice bus though. And here we are. home sweet home. And for the record, folks, I'm going to talk more occasionally, more often than most of my recent bus videos. Oh, fudge. That actually hurt. I love how I just said fudge again and not the actual F word. Yeah, because I can't afford to bleep too many F-bombs and S-bombs, so yeah. Oh, shucks. Oh, shoot. Holy sherbet. Holy fudge. Oh, here we go again. Didn't see you there. Thank you, driver. Have a liquor weekend. And that's it.